everyone, welcome back guys. So we are back with the daily review with a success ratio very good. So let's read all of the things in a daily review. What is a fucking daily review, huh? So basically I have plan. So I'm going to read the plan, like my goals. Then I'm going to see have I done the yesterday's task or not. If not, then we'll try to figure out why. And this is how it looks like. This is what the fucking daily review is. Have I done the task? The goal is planned. The plan is got schedule every single day, and that schedule we're going to check it out. My goodness, this fucking worst ever intro is this. So look at this. This road to $1 million life plan updated. I think so. Yeah, it's a life plan. It should be road to $1 million. Perfect. So let's read. Everything works on system. Either you build your own system for every single thing or get hired to work on someone else's system. That is equals to job, and I fucking hate the job. That is why I'm working on my system. That is why I have worked on building my own system. The highlights. When we are going to quit the job and become a full-time trader. On 23rd August 2026, within just 45 days, we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading again. When we are going to come back to the break-even, on 16th of August 2026, within just 38 days, we'll come back to break-even on our $100,000 account. When we are going to go to New York. When we are going to go to New York on the first week of November 2026, within 1176, actually it was 5, 115 days, we'll travel to New York. When we are going to start making $1,000 at least. Man, fuck my hairs, man. It's just like the wind are like just not in direction of my hairstyle. So from 23rd August 2026, within 45 days, we'll start making $1,000 at least. The reason of all of this is the why. The fucking why. Planning my goals, then that goals divided into years. That yearly goals got divided into quarterly goals. That quarterly goals got divided into monthly goals. And that monthly goal got divided into the daily goal. That daily goal got divided into schedule. And that schedule is what we are going to look into. Because if we haven't achieved the tasks in this section, then the whole entire plan just get failed. And that is why people don't know why they don't even achieve the goal. They just say, oh, I wanna make $1 million, but what the fuck? You just don't even start opening the laptop, brother. That's how like that small thing actually ruin all of things. So, प्रतीक आहे का? नाही आला अजून? बर. अच्छा हो का? बर. Also has a daily review self meeting, which is what I'm doing right now. अरे बाबो खतरनाक मांजरला घाबरत येते नी मांजरला लय मस्त घाबरत ती. Create a video on YouTube about self meeting, which is what we are doing right now. Have we done the tasks assigned? This is what we're going to review. Like, have we done the task assigned yesterday's? Have we done the task assigned? If it is yes, awesome. If it is no, then 17:45. If no, then why? Figure out the leaking hole and instantly add the solution. Oh my god, this is the why. This is the reason. The goals. This is the goals. Pretty much, this are the goals. The long-term goals is become a trader who makes $1 million per month, having multi-billion-dollar business empire, traveling to the whole world with my parents. Most important thing, with my parents. Shift to Dubai or New York or LA with parents. Short-term goals. Getting my $100,000 account back to the break-even. Make at least 1% per month to get out from this bullshit motherfucking job. These are the goals. Now that goals are got divided into yearly. This are the yearly. This is how the year end of the year looks like. At the end of the year 2026, I will be making at least $10,000 per month, at least, shifted in New York, and managing $1.2 million in funding. Okay, how this goal we're going to achieve in a 2026 year? Okay, this has got divided into quarterly. Quarterly 1 is over, quarter 2 is over, and now we are in the quarter 3, which is July to September. Today is 9th of July. So let's read this. How the quarter 3 output looks like. What is the goal of the quarter 3? On a 16th of August 2026, we'll come back to the break even on our $100,000 account. On 23rd August 2026, we'll quit the job and shift it to full-time trading. Oh my god. I will be finishing 28 analysis lectures in July, which is current month. Having the trading software for analyzing and taking the trade for each type of market conditions. Buying $200,000 account for off-funded next and passing it in the September month. Started backtesting on 2 years of data using our trading software from 17 June to 1 November 2025. Apply for mom-dad passport for New York. Apply for quick visa for me, mom and dad. Make at least $10,000 for our New York trip for birthday on 25th November 2026 and Christmas whole month of December 2026. This is the whole entire goal of the quarter 3, which is what we're going to achieve for sure. So we're just going to read how the output of the July month is going to be look. We're not going to read over here. We're going to read over here in a monthly schedule. So we are in a July month. So click on July. So this is how the July just only month of July output looks like. My hair just got messy. No fucking problem. I have the I'm carrying this. I'm carrying this shade. Man, this still my hairs are like this. I'm just standing opposite of opposite side of the air. So that's the only reason it's just getting messy all the time. Let's talk about the New York. I'm coming, New York. I'm fucking coming. Goals of the July. Having the trading software for how the output of July is going to look like. We'll be having a trading software for analyzing and taking a trade for each type of market conditions. We'll be finishing a 28 analysis lectures. We'll be started backtesting from November 2025 till November 2026 using our trading software. Backtesting of not November 2026. It's now till now. Backtesting of November 2025 will get finished in a July month. Started flipping $20 into $8,000. It should be started. It's growing and $20. I wanted to use a simplest word so that everyone can understand. Started growing and $20 account to $8,000 challenge. At the end of the month, at the end of the July month, let's be specific. At the end of the July month, we'll be growing a $20 into 1,000. Let's use a comma for easy. $1,620. And currently we are right now in the first week of it, 6th to 10th of the July. If we just go over here, the week 1 is ongoing. You can see the star over here, 6 to 12 July. So we're going to just read the first week of output. So let's click on over here, the first week of July. This of the first week of July output is going to look like 10 to 15 lectures will get finished, so of 28 analysis videos. So pretty much I'm currently on to 28. There are 28 analysis videos of my mentor where if I just did that earlier, I have done that and I've become profitable, and then I make a lot more money. You won't even believe. And then I messed up every single thing because I wanted to try the new intraday strategy and every single thing got messed up. After messing up, I just forgot how I was taking a trade. So that is only the reason I have to start back again for doing the 28 analysis lectures again. So I'm pretty much doing that. So from 28 analysis lectures, we'll be able to finish 10 to 15 lectures. Okay. And also we'll be growing a $20 to $60. So we're going to see is this going to get at you or not. So today is Thursday. We're not going to take any trades. So it's pretty much we haven't took any trades. So this goal is haven't at you. Okay, not gonna lie. This goal is not going to get at you even for sure. Because from Wednesday, after Wednesday we just don't take the trade. Thursday, Friday no trades. So pretty much no trades now. So which is good, which is good because I'm preserving my capital for the next week. Next week, what a solid opportunity is coming. You won't even believe the opportunities in the next week is going to make us a lot more money than you ever think. So let's talk about this. 10 to 15 lectures is going to get finished. So right now we have finished 10th of lecture. The 10th lecture, oh my god. Hold on, just a second. This property should be visible, final status, yeah. It is done. 10th lecture is done. Then the 11th lecture is done. 12th lecture is ongoing right now. 12th lecture is ongoing right now. So we have finished. My own analysis has been finished. I have also seen the lectures, which is scheduled to today's morning. I have done it. This alone. We have scheduled for 1 hour, which is 2 hours morning, 5 to 7 a.m. I finished within 5 to 6 both tasks. I had slept from 6 to 7, 6:45, which is not good. Even though I'm going to finish, I'm how I can say, I am regretting about this. Why I did sleep. I can complete the next tasks, which is not even. I can finish the right now tasks in the morning only, rather than sleeping. I should be doing that. So I got the mistake, which I should be. So this is how it looks like. So Alex lecture is done. Now we are on to the tracking and trades ongoing. So which is the task which is currently scheduled, which is going to get started at 18:40. So we have plenty of time to do it. So lectures. So now we're going to do the daily review of yesterday. Today is 9th of July, right? So yesterday we have scheduled the 11th lecture. So we're just going to ask one question to ourselves, It's just like, have we done yesterday's shit lecture? YESTARDAY, yesterday lecture? Answer is yes, we done it. That's it. Like that is literally is it. That is only is it, my dear brothers. That is only is it. So we have successfully finished the yesterday's task. That's why we are in time, I really like to be in time, Even I will be prefer to be more ahead because of the things which is going to come up pretty soon. So yeah, this is it. This is how the daily review is. We have talked about our goals, our yearly goals. We talk about our monthly goals. We talk about our weekly goals. We talk about our daily goals. We have reviewed, have we done the yesterday's tasks or not. So we have done the yesterday's tasks. This is it. This means that we are in the we are moving as per plan. So if we do every single thing as per plan, so I believe will be on a 25th of July will be a profitable trader no matter what. And I believe I'm you want to let's not talk, I will show you. I will fucking show you. Guys, signing off, boys, with my 2 hands. I'm saluting you all, guys, for sticking to this. And just don't just watch, man. Just learn from the things which I'm doing right now. You should also track yourself. You should also, what are your goals and what you're going to do tomorrow, today, and yesterday. What have you done yesterday? Yes or no? You should do your self meeting, man. That's how you're going to grow. You're not going to grow by maybe we're going to do this tomorrow. What the fuck maybes, huh? What the fuck maybes? You are risking your life with the maybes and maybe not. You should be I'm going to do this. I'm going to eat rice at 8 or 9 p.m. and I'm going to wash my hands at 8:30 p.m. and I'm going to directly going to start doing study at 8:45 p.m. This is how you should be talking. You should not be maybe I will do the study. Maybe I don't know. I have time. I'm fucking tired. What the fuck you mean tired? You're fucking poor, man. You fucking broken. You telling me you're tired? You made to lose. Fucking made to lose. I just don't get it. How in the world you guys are surviving, Even Right now, I'm broke. Okay, I'm broke, but I have skills to make me millions of dollars, and I'm heading towards that. And I'm waking up at 5 o'clock and starting to do the 2 hours of study from 5 to 7 a.m. and 5 to 7 a.m. I did the trading study from 7 to 8. I get ready from 8 to 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. I do the fucking bullshit motherfucking job that I fucking hate the most. That is not even my future. And then I come at a 4:30 at a home. From 4:30 to 5:30 I get ready, and from 5:30 to midnight 12 o'clock I just do the fucking study, and I did all of this. Still I'm feeling like I just don't have time. I need more time. You guys, how in the world you guys are like, yeah, maybe I will do it. Maybe. What the fuck maybe is, I just don't get it. How in the world you guys are like, okay being poor. I'm just like, this is how it like, fuck. Alright boys, let's do it. We'll come back to our next, tomorrow's daily review, daily meeting. So, the one line answer of this, there is a plane, man. People are paying lakhs to sit in the plane, and I'm just not able to afford a biscuit, a 5 rupees biscuit. I wanna see this plane. Hold on, man. I wanna see this, and I wanna get jealous. Because at the same time, I don't have money, and at the exact same time, people are transacting millions and millions of dollars. If they can, then why I can't? Don't you feel jealous? Like, how in the world he have $1 million, and at the same exact time and at the same exact age, I don't have, and he have that $1 million, and I just don't have the $1 million. If you're not getting jealous, and if you're not able to see the plane, man. If you're not able to get jealous by seeing someone is bigger than you, someone is stronger than you, and someone is wealthy or rich than you, and you both are at the same age, and you're not getting jealous by seeing that, I just don't have words for what to say to you, man. Alright boys, signing off with 2 hands. Yesterday's task is finished. Let's finish today's task. Signing off. Peace.